project master database is created in the systems either manually or by importing the data from integrated systems. Specialized team members are added to the project to execute and track projects periodically. Project schedules are created and imported from various project management tools such as Microsoft Project and Primavera, which are then prioritized and monitored as needed. Comprehensive document data along with workflows is imported that enlists all the documents from various departments required for project completion. Procurement and manufacturing data with reference to a sales order is imported into the system, while every line item is imported as a task in the framework and termed as a parent task. Data for manufacturing operations is imported and linked as a child task to the parent task, both of which are set to be completed within the time frame of the parent task. Document data is imported from the document management system daily, with which project status is updated and progress percentage is marked with reference to the completion data imported from the documents, procurement, and manufacturing processes. By leveraging the Super App framework, manufacturers can avail interactive dashboards, single source of truth, one-click reports, streamlined workflows,